Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to block a specific port in Windows 11 Firewall. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, make sure your Windows 11 computer is fully loaded and ready to go. Once your PC is up and running, navigate to your Windows Start menu located in your taskbar and click on it. When the Start menu opens, type in Firewall and press Enter. This will bring up the Windows Firewall settings menu where you'll be making all your configuration changes. From here, look at the left side of the firewall window and click on Inbound Rules. This section controls what connections are allowed to reach your computer from external sources. Once you click on it, an action panel will appear on the right side of the screen. Look for and click on New Rule to begin creating your custom port blocking rule. A new inbound rule wizard will now appear on your screen. In the first step, you'll see several options for the type of rule you want to create. Click on the Port Radio button to specify that you're creating a rule for blocking specific ports. Then click Next to continue. Now you'll need to enter the specific port number you want to block. Type the port number into the designated field. If you need to block multiple ports at once, you can enter them all here by separating each port number with a comma. Once you've entered all the ports you want to block, click Next to move forward. In the action step, you'll be asked what you want Windows to do with connections to these ports. Click on the Block Radio button. This tells Windows Firewall to actively block any inbound connections from the ports you've just listed. After selecting this option, click Next again. Next, you'll need to select which profile this rule applies to. You'll see options for domain, private, and public networks. Click on the toggle button for each selection based on where you want this rule to be active. For maximum protection, you can enable it for all three profiles. Once you've configured your selections, click Next to proceed. For the final step, you'll need to enter a name for this firewall rule. Choose something descriptive that will help you identify what this rule does later, such as block port 8080 inches, or whatever makes sense for your specific use case. Once you've entered the name, click Finish, and that's it. You've successfully blocked a specific port in Windows 11 Firewall, giving you better control over your network security. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.